Hello friends, in today's video we will show you different types of end effectors with different applications. So first of all we will discuss definition of end effector. So end effector is the gripper or end of arm tooling attached to the wrist of manipulator to accomplish the desired task. Means end effector act as a hand of the robot which is directly connected to last joint. End effector is the important basic component of industrial robot which is directly connected to wrist joint. So an end effector is the device that is the end of robotic arm. So in this particularly video or animation shows the one type of end effector or one type of industrial robot pick the object from incoming conveyor and place to outgoing conveyor. Okay, means end effector act as a hand of the robot. The basic function of end effector to grip the object or to pick the object from one location and place to another location. Means the end effector is the gripper or end of arm tooling attached to the wrist of manipulator to accomplish the desired task. Then we can think of an end effector like human hand, even though human hand is very versatile. Means one more important characteristics of end effector is the interchangeability. Means human hand doesn't have interchangeability characteristics. That's why the important characteristics of end effector is the interchangeability. You can easily change the end effector as per your task. This is the important characteristics of end effector. Then the special tooling for robot that enables it to perform a specific task. So there are different types of end effector according to working principle and construction of end effector. There are different types of end effector, or end effector is the important basic component of industrial robot. So next, different types of end effector. So there are two main types of end effectors, tools and gripper. These are the two main types of grippers or end effectors. So first type is the tool. The function of tool to perform a processes like spot welding, spray painting. So in case of spot welding, welding gun act as a end effector. Means you can directly replace the end effector. Means welding gun directly attached to wrist joint for performing spot welding operation. Or in case of spray painting gun act as a end effector. And another type of end effector is the gripper. The basic function of gripper to grasp and manipulate the object or part during work cycle. This is the simply function of gripper. So in that classification of end effector, there are different types of or different classification points. So first point is the according to type of grasping modality. There are three different types of end effector. First is the mechanical fingers, special tool, or universal fingers. Then second type according to number of gripper mounted on wrist. Single gripper mounted on wrist, multiple gripper mounted on wrist. Then third type or third classification point according to modes of gripping, internal gripping and external gripping. Then according to number of degrees of freedom, 1 degrees of freedom, 2 degrees of freedom. And last classification point according to source of power. Okay, there are three different types of end effector according to source of power: pneumatic grippers, hydraulic grippers and electric grippers. So first, common types of end effectors. So first is the tool. So two animation, this is the first animation and second animation. Two animation shows the working principle of common tools. So in that first animation, spot welding or welding operation performed by industrial robot. So in this particular case, welding gun act as an end effector, or welding gun directly connect to wrist joint to perform welding operation. So first tool is the welding gun. Okay, spot welding operation perform with the help of welding gun. Then arc welding means tools act as a end effector in this particular case. In that second case, it shows assembly or different types of mechanical end effectors to perform assembly task. Okay, so spot welding, arc welding, drilling, grinding, deburring, etc. Then cutting devices like laser cutting, water jet cutting, torch cutting, etc. Then spray painting. In that spray painting, the spray painting gun act as an end effector, or you can directly place the spray painting gun to the last joint of the robot or wrist joint of the robot to perform spray painting application. Then second type is the grippers. So common end effector grippers. There are different types of gripper according to construction and working. There are 5 types of grippers. So first gripper is the mechanical gripper, means use of different mechanisms and different kinematic linkages to perform grasping, okay, to grasping operation. Then vacuum gripper, use of pneumatic principle for grasping purpose. Then magnetized, adhesive and simple hook. These are the 5 different types of grippers used in industrial robot. So this all animation shows the exactly working principle of grippers. So first type of end effector is the mechanical type end effector. Mechanical type end effector. A mechanical gripper is an end effector that uses mechanical fingers actuated by mechanism to grasp of an object, okay, shown in this figure. So mechanical figure or mechanical fingers, the primary reason to use mechanical fingers are generally used to grasp the object. So these are the different types of mechanical fingers or mechanical end effector or based on the kinematic devices. So first device is, or first type of mechanical device is linkage actuation. Okay, different types of linkage actuation according to linkage actuation. Then second, use of gear or rack and pinion arrangement or rack and pinion actuation. Then third is the cam actuation, okay, use of cam and follower for actuation purpose. And fourth one is the screw actuation. So in this particularly first type of mechanical end effector, linkage actuation or linkage actuation. So mechanical grippers, so this figure shows mechanical type end effector, okay, or this 4 figure shows linkage actuation. So this is the most popular mechanical gripper for the industrial application, okay, or this device contains pair of slider crank mechanism, pair of slider crank mechanism. So in this particularly linkage actuation, it consists of 2 cranks, crank number first, crank number second, 2 fulcrums, fulcrum F1, okay, fulcrum F2 and 2 fingers, finger number first and finger number second. So in that slider crank mechanism shown in figure, this is the slider crank mechanism. So when piston, okay, or this force, or this is the simply pneumatic piston, or piston is pushed by pneumatic power or pneumatic pressure to the right, when the piston moves from left to right, at the same time the element in the crank number second and crank number third rotates counterclockwise direction, okay, counterclockwise direction with fulcrum F1 and counterclockwise direction with fulcrum F1, okay, and clockwise direction about fulcrum F2. So resulting notation, or it gives or it makes the grasping action at the extended end, okay, it gives the grasping action at the extended end of crank number second and crank number third. The releasing action can be obtained by moving the piston left to right. Means when piston moves from left to right, okay, left to right, the releasing action is taken out, and when piston moves from right to left, or releasing action can be obtained by moving the piston to left, means right to left. So this is the simply working principle of slider crank mechanism or mechanical type end effector, linkage actuation mechanical type end effector. Means in the slider crank mechanism shown in figure, when piston or when link, this is the, or at the location, this location one piston is there. So when piston is pushed by the pneumatic pressure, okay, suppose this is the pneumatic pressure, to the right, the element of crank number second and crank number third rotate counterclockwise with fulcrum F1 and fulcrum F2, okay. Means when theta is greater than 180 degree or less than 180 degree, this rotation makes the grasping action at the extended end of the crank 2 and 3, and the releasing action can be obtained by moving the piston to left. So this is the simply working principle of mechanical type end effector or slider crank mechanism used for actuation purpose.